Are you having any kinds of problem on the Sweetgreen application? Like, are your orders not showing currently, or if you're having any kinds of tracking issues? Well, there are some things that you can consider if your app is not responding properly. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. After that, you want to make sure that the connection is actually working. And if your internet connection is working, however, if the website is not responding correctly, you want to simply tap on these three bars over here and you'll be able to see an login or log out option over here somewhere. You want to simply log out of your account and into your account once to check if your account does not have any problem. And if you don't have the problem, and if you don't face any problem on the account login or log out, it might be that it's your device's fault and not the app itself. So what you want to do is you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.